I have been wanting to share this recipe with you guys for a long time because I absolutely love aubergine. I've had loads of requests about aubergine, and I think it's a kind of veg which you need to cook properly for its flavors to come out. So in today's video, I am going to share not one, two, three, but four aubergine recipes, and I really do hope that you're gonna try at least one of them, if not all. To start, the recipe I'm sharing is grilled aubergine with a delicious yogurt topping and walnuts, and it's a great side or a snack or to eat with a barbecue. It's amazing. Just going to cut it into thin slices, get a nice hot pan, and I'm just going to cook these. Once you've cooked them on both the sides, they are deliciously soft. You can plate them up now. Just a couple of heaped tablespoons of natural yogurt. To this, going to add a big pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of curry powder. Good mix. Then the aubergines are cooked. Just a good drizzle. And I'm going to finish these with some just a handful of walnuts roughly chopped. And then just drizzle it on top of the aubergines. And it's ready. The second recipe is a lovely aubergine mozzarella pesto bake, and it's absolutely fantastic with the side of a salad or some meat if you want, or on its own. That's some basil pesto. Just some thinly sliced mozzarella. And some thinly sliced tomatoes. Just some olive oil. sprinkle of salt, and it goes in a hot oven. That is 45 minutes in the oven at 160°C. Third one is a fantastic dip. It's an aubergine and tahini dip, and it's absolutely brilliant whether you're serving it with pakoras or you're serving it with crisps or some bread or on the side of barbecue or with some salad. Oh, it is amazing. I'm just going to prick this aubergine all over, a little bit of oil, and then put it under a grill for half an hour. So that's been around 35 minutes. It's looking pretty good. So this aubergine has cooled down. I'm just going to peel it out, peel the skin off. And then chop it as finely as you can. Good pinch of salt, good pinch of black pepper, 1 green chili chopped up, and here I've got 1 garlic clove. I'm going to chop up a chopped up garlic clove goes in here, a squeeze of lemon juice, a tablespoon, and a tablespoon of tahini. And I'm actually just going to mix it in a bowl before I plate it up. A teaspoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna add another pinch of salt. Just a teeniest bit of extra virgin olive oil and just some parsley leaves to finish. And I've kept the best recipe for the last because this is awesome aubergine pakoras. So I've got a whole aubergine here. I'm going to cut it in half because it's quite big. If it's a small one, then you can do it with a whole, and then cut it into thin slices. Now I've just got these slices here, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on each slice and then a little bit of chili on each slice. So all the moisture from the aubergine can come out. So just leave it alone for 10 minutes. Here I've got 150 grams of gram flour or chickpea flour, and to this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. And I have got 300 ml of water here. I'm going to see how much I need. Don't add all of it together, just you need a nice kind of pancake style batter. So I've got kind of 50 ml left. So yeah, like I said, don't add all of it together. So here are the aubergine slices. I'm going to take one at a time and just get rid of the extra moisture. And then it goes into our mix. And then it goes into the hot oil. And then repeat the same with basically all the pieces. And here they are ready to be turned over. I really do hope you enjoyed this different kind of video, and let me know your thoughts on it. Which is your favorite out of the 4 recipes? Please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Push the bell button so that you get a notification every time I share a recipe. Bye for now. See you tomorrow for another new recipe.